Americans thought their prescription drug costs would be lower this year, but now pharmaceutical companies are reportedly planning on raising the prices of hundreds of medications. Reuters is reporting at least 350 popular medications will see a price hike. Chances are you or someone you know will be paying more. NewsNation's Ryan Bass joins us now with the very latest in this. Ryan, this is not news anyone wants to hear if they're going to be paying more when they get their prescription drugs.
No, it's certainly not the news that you wanted to hear, Nick. And look, this seems backwards and contrary to what the Trump administration has been trying to do here. And this administration has struck deals to lower prices for a lot of government programs, but a majority of Americans aren't covered under those agreements. And remember, drug makers are the ones that, get to gauge the list prices for drugs here. And increases every year are common, even amid political pressure from President Trump and his administration. Now, this is a lot of drugs. We're talking about hundreds of drugs that could be going up in cost here. Drug makers plan to raise U.S. list prices on at least 350 brand name drugs, according to data first reported by Reuters. Among the most prominent drugs facing price hikes this year, Pfizer's COVID vaccine and antiviral treatment, a Pfizer breast cancer treatment, migraine medication, Nurtec, GSK's shingles vaccine, and hospital-administered pain relievers like morphine and hydromorphone. Those prices are expected to jump about 4% on average for the second year in a row, though that's down 5 points from what we saw a decade ago. Pfizer leads the list with hikes on about 80 medications, including cancer, COVID, and hospital drugs. In a statement, the drug maker says that those price hikes are below the rate of inflation and will help cover rising costs and research. That despite President Trump saying the company would lower costs for all Americans.
Pfizer has agreed to provide some of their most popular current medications to all consumers at heavily discounted prices of anywhere between 50 and even 100%. And that's off the price.
Now, some of Pfizer's most popular drugs have seen their prices nearly or more than double over the last decade. And even newer drugs like COVID treatment Paxlovid will see their prices climb this year here in 2026. And that's despite Pfizer and 13 other drug makers agreeing to most favored nation pricing under a new Trump administration policy, meaning Americans would pay the lowest price drug makers sell their products for globally. It's something the president recently hailed as a huge win for consumers.
This represents the greatest victory for patient affordability in the history of American healthcare by far. And every single American will benefit. So this is the biggest thing ever to happen on drug pricing and on health care.
And Nick, several of the companies that agreed to most favored nation pricing are still raising their costs here into 2026. It's also worth noting that a lot of these projected price hikes don't factor in rebates or discounts that drug makers often negotiate behind the scenes as well, Nick.
Either way, this is something we'll definitely have to keep watching closely. Ryan, thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.